Hello everyone. In this class, we will learn identification of bloodstains in forensic medicine. Bloodstains are the most common biological samples in forensic medicine. Its identification is very important to many homicide investigations and is also useful in other cases, such as aggravated assault, sexual assault, burglary, and disasters. In this class, I will introduce how to examine the bloodstains in the investigation of forensic medicine. It contains 5 parts: examination by naked eye, presumptive testing, confirmatory testing, species determination, and genetic marker analysis. The first part, examination by naked eye. In general, visual inspection focuses mainly on the number of bloodstains, size, distribution, location, shape, color, and the relationship among them. This information can be very important, not only in establishing which individual might have been bleeding, but also the manner in which blood was deposited. Blood spectral interpretation can be valuable in determining how blood was deposited on an atom or at a scene, thus make useful in crime scene reconstructions. The second part, presumptive testing. Presumptive test for bloodstains is based on the detection of heme, a component of hemoglobin in red blood cells, or heme derivatives. These tests work on the principle of converting a colorless reagent to a colored product through a catalyzed oxidation reduction reaction. In this process, the heme in blood, because of its peroxidase type activity, catalyzes the breakdown of oxidizing agent, such as hydrogen peroxide. The resulting oxygen subsequently reacts with a chemical compound that demonstrates a color change when it is oxidized. These 2 steps in the presumptive testing for bloodstains can be summarized as follows. The third part, confirmatory testing. Because of the presumptive nature of the catalytic test, a confirmatory test is necessary when there are positive presumptive test results. Identification of heme is also the basis of most confirmatory test procedures. Alternatively, a positive crystal test for the presence of certain heme derivatives or the demonstration of the characteristic visual absorbance spectrum. If hemoglobin is regarded as conclusive proof of the existence of blood. What's more, the crystal tests have been shown to be highly specific. It should be noted that false negative results may be obtained from old blood stains and blood on materials, such as tannic acid-treated leather. The fourth part, species determination. When a stain has been identified as blood, those results alone may not be sufficient for investigative or analytic purpose. It is often necessary to determine if the blood originates from a human before further genetic marker analysis. The most commonly used serological techniques in forensic species testing are double diffusion, ring precipitation, crossover electrophoresis, and rapid immunoassay. The last part, genetic mark analysis. The application of STR typing in criminal cases is mainly concerned with the comparison of genetic types obtained from a reference blood with those obtained from an evidential stain. STR typing is a well-established procedure for producing evidence in court. Gender typing can be performed by analyzing the X and Y chromosome sequence using PCR and capillary electrophoresis. ABO blood typing identifies specific antigens present on the surface of blood cells. Well, in this class, I introduced the identification of bloodstains. It contains 5 steps: examination by naked eye, presumptive testing, confirmatory testing, species determination, and genetic mark analysis. Now, that's all for this class. Thank you.